How to get a U.S. passport, a guide for young adults, so you're ready to explore the world. Getting a U.S. passport is the first step to unlocking countless adventures. Here's a simple guide to help you through the process. 1. Gather your documents. Before you even start, make sure you have these documents ready. Birth certificate. A certified copy is essential. Photo ID. This can be a driver's license, state-issued ID card, or even a school ID. Previous passport, if applicable. If you've had a passport before, you'll need it. Passport photos. You'll need 2 identical passport-sized photos. Check the U.S. Department of State website for specific requirements. 2. Complete the application. Online application. The easiest way is to apply online through the U.S. Passport Information page. You'll create an account and fill out the application form. Paper application. If you prefer a physical form, you can download it from the same website. 3. Submit your application. Mail-in. You can mail your completed application, passport photos, and supporting documents to a passport acceptance facility. In person. Many post offices and courthouses serve as passport acceptance facilities. You can visit one in person to submit your application. 4. Pay the fees. There are fees associated with passport applications. The exact amount will depend on the type of passport you're applying for and whether you're applying in person or by mail. You can pay with a check, money order, or credit card. 5. Wait for your passport. Processing times can vary, so it's best to check the processing times on the U.S. Passport Information page. If you need your passport quickly, you can expedite your application for an additional fee. Tips for a smooth application. Plan ahead. Start the process well in advance of your travel plans. Double check. Make sure all your information is accurate and complete before submitting your application. Keep copies. Keep copies of your application, supporting documents, and passport photos for your records. Ready to explore the world? With a U.S. passport in hand, the possibilities are endless. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.